好，各位同學，歡迎翻嚟2018年第9條 long quest 啦。咁喺呢條玩 magnetic field 啦，玩 electromagnetic induction 嗰個啦。咁好啦，佢就話有條棍仔啦，PQ，咁啊 length 係 L 咁長，咁 moving with a constant velocity across 個 magnetic field B，咁啊 out of paper 啦，咁啊見到原點都知噶啦。咁咧有個 EMF 咧就 induce 出嚟啦，咁 as 佢又切斷咗啲 field line，咁就有 change 啦。咁然之後條棍將 opposite change 啦，咁啊自己會發電啦，簡單嚟講就係咁樣。咁啊好啦，咁咧就會話，如果係駁咗一嚿外部嘅電流嘅話咧，駁咗個 external resistor 喺度嘅話咧，咁咧佢就話會有一個 current 走咗出嚟。OK，咁佢咧 part one 佢就問你個 current 係點樣走啦。咁呢個時候咧就突出你嘅右手啦，right hand framing rule，咁即係 FBI 嗰個啦，手指公係 F。咁今次咧，由於個 V 係向右啦，所以咧右手指公向右 ，OK。跟住 B 食指係 B。咁由於而家 out of paper 咧，即係指天啦，係啦，咁啊指上去啦，咁啊指上，指住自己啦，或者係啦。跟住咁你就揾到個 I 係點樣噶啦？咁個 I 咧，即係你嘅右手嘅中指啦。而家呢個時候應該向下嘅，咁咧你就揾到佢嘅 current 啦。咁啊，你畫翻好全部方向咯。咁啊，畫完噶啦。咁第一分爽舐到啦。好，第二個 explain 點解你要一個 external force 去 maintain 佢個 uniform motion 咧？咁然之後最後咧，佢就問你 find F in 你啲 physical quantity 啦。咁啊，首先解釋咗點解有 force 先。咁咧，因為佢 opposite change 啊嘛。係啊，點解佢可以無端發到電咧？就係因為佢將你啲動能，將你啲 KE 變咗做 electrical 啫嘛。咁你要 maintain 翻啲 KE 嘅喎，你要 maintain 佢個 speed，咁你咪 apply 個 force 俾佢咯。咁啊，非常簡單，係啦。咁你有兩款答法嘅，第一個你就可以用 Lenz law 嚟解啦。Lenz law by Lenz law，magnetic force acts on the rod such that it opposes the motion of the rod. So an external force is needed to balance it. Is need to balance it so as to keep an uniform motion. 咁呢個係第一款答法啦。第二款答法咧，你就可以用 energy 嘅概念去入手啦。咁咧，由於 work done by an external force is need to transfer kinetic energy into electrical energy。係啦，你可以用能量嚟咁咯。係啦，咁啊呢兩款答法都 OK 嘅。咁咧，你個 F 係幾多咧？咁 F 咧 ，F 等於 BIL，咁呢個冇咩好講噶啦。係啊，佢抄式都揾到噶啦。咁記得 L 寫翻大階啦，因為佢呢度用 L 嘅。咁啊 B 啦、I 啦，咁呢啲用翻佢俾嘅英文字母啦，唔好改人哋。係啦，好，咁啊 Part 3。咁而家呢個 set up 咧係一個 generator 嚟嘅。係啦，係一個 generator。咁咧佢就問你啦 ，consider the power input by 個 force，show that E 條式。OK， 好啦。咁咧由於 F.V. work done 係等於 F.V. 啊。OK， 咁你 power 亦都會等於 V.I. 啊。V.I. 咁呢個時候咧，我哋個 V 咧係轉咗公仔嘅，轉咗一個嘅 epsilon 嘅，係咪到 epsilon？ 係啊，轉咗佢呢一個啦。咁啊，我哋轉翻佢嘅寫法 ，V 你個 V.I. 就會等於 F.V. 啊。呢個係 speed 嚟嘅 V 係 velocity。咁咧上面我哋已經 show 咗啦 ，F 係等於 B.I.L。咁啊 ，B.I.L.V。sorry 呢個寫翻好啲啊，唔好意思 ，L.V。OK， 咁啊兩邊個 I 約走咗，咁所以 你個 V 就會等於 BLV， 咁啊 show 到2分，舐咗。好啦，到 part B 啦。咁咧，咁佢就話，咁你而家就有架船啦，咁啊 SN direction 啦。OK，咁啊 search and cut the field line make an angle 啦，咁呢啲都係廢話嚟啫。好啦，a ship with a vertical aluminium mast sail 啦，咁樣就喺度跑啦。咁咧 as a result EMF is induced 啦，係啦，咁你係不斷切緊地球啲磁場線咧，佢就話。好啊，點解 only the horizontal component of the Earth magnetic field is cut？ 然之後會俾到呢個 induced EMF 係啊？點解打直嗰啲冇淨係 cut 到打橫嗰啲咧？咁因為咧就好簡單嘅啫，因為你 perpendicular 要全部係 perpendicular 先得噶嘛。Because as the vertical component is parallel， 即係你條棍係打直噶啦。如果你走係切啲打直嘅 field line 咧，其實佢係避開晒嘅意思係啦。你只有打橫嗰啲，你先可以一條打直嘅棍咁樣去切佢噶嘛。係啦，就係你咁樣呢條棍，你咁樣打咁樣切佢先叫切緊噶嘛。如果你喺啲垂直嗰啲行過去，呢個叫穿過嘅啫嘛，冇切中人哋啊嘛，係冇擾亂人哋噶嘛，係啦。咁所以咧，只有perpendicular 嗰啲先得嘅，係啦 ，parallel to the mast， 係啦，咁樣講呢個就搞掂噶啦。好，跟住咧 part 2， 咁咧佢就問你啦，問你個 EMF 係幾多？咁然之後 with reference to 你個 A3 啦，咁 A3 即係上面我哋 show 呢一個啦，咁我哋寫翻低條式先，呢個等於 BLV。OK， 咁跟住就叫佢 calculate 個 EMF 出嚟啦。好，咁樣就呢一個會等於 B 啊，50乘10嘅負6啦。但係咧，我哋記住呢個係打斜嘅，咁我哋咧係需要揾 horizontal 嗰啲嘅，係啦。而家呢一個係50 mil 咁多，我哋要揾 horizontal 嗰啲 ，horizontal 嗰啲即係50 mil 再乘 cosine，sorry 30度，係啦。咁所以咧呢一 part 先係緊要嘅 ，vertical 嗰 part 我哋唔要，咁所以咧我哋記得俾翻個 cosine 佢，咁啊跟住再乘翻 L 啊20米，咁啊 V 啊6，咁啊照乘嘅呢條數，佢呢條考嘅咧就睇你先記唔記得用翻個 cosine 嘅啫。咁啊計到咧個 V 咧就係5.20乘10嘅負3 V 啊，咁樣就計到啦。好，咁跟住咧佢就問你邊一個位有 more electrons 啊？咁 X 定係 Y 咧，定係 uniform 咩垃圾嘅唔使睇，係啦 X 定係 Y 咧？咁好啦，咁我哋又用我哋嘅右手法則啦。而家 FBI F 而家係向前行啦，即係 W， 即係你而家手指公要向前啦。B 因為係 horizontal 嘅，咁所以咧係 SN direction 啦，S to N 嘅 direction 啦，所以咁樣嘅，係啦，咁樣，咁所以咧你嘅 current 咧就應該係向下噶啦，而家 ，OK， 當你 current 係向下嘅話咧，即係下面係正啦，上面係負啦，係啦，要記住你右手指緊嗰邊係正好嚟嘅，個中指指嗰個係正好，咁所以邊邊有多啲electron啦，electron係 negative 嘅，咁所以咧 X 係啦，所以咧就係 X is the X has more electron， 係啦，講多次啊，頭先講得有啲亂，係啦，首先你架船向前行，咁右手嘅手指公啦，跟住個 magnetic field 係 SN direction， 即係咁樣去，咁樣去嘅話，即係你食指係咁樣啦，咁所以咧你嘅中指咧就應該指緊向下嘅。咁由於你中指咧嘅指緊嘅方向咧係標示緊你個 positive terminal 嘅，咁所以 X 咧就係個 negative， 咁咧 negative 嘅話咧就係 more electron，咁就咁樣解啦。OK， 咁我 part 3，咁好啦，而家 suppose X and Y 咧而家就跑一條 揾埋 side by side 嘅嘢啦，咁即係咧隔離駁嗰條線喺度。咁咧佢就問你啦，究竟會唔會有一個 current 咧？好啦，佢話 side by side，咁隔離棟啦條棍喺度，咁究竟會唔會發到電咧？咁其實唔會嘅。你諗下，呢度係向下，你隔離嗰條 supposing 嗰一樣啦，都係向下噶啦啲 current，所以咧就變成打交啦，就互相 cancel out 咗。OK，因為你一條棍會向下啦，另外一邊都係受緊同一個力噶嘛，都係發緊同一個電噶嘛，所以都係向下噶嘛。咁所以咧 eventually 佢哋就會打交啦。係啊，一打交就互相 cancel out 晒，所以係發唔到電嘅。咁所以咧答案就 no current。Both the cable will cut cable and the mass cable and mass cut the field line in the same direction in the same way. The EMF induced are equal and they cancel out each other. And they 或者唔好用 cancel out, they oppose each other 啦。係啊，就係會打交 ，oppose each other。咁講完啦，發唔到電。